Okay, good afternoon guys. Today's project's in the van. We have some curtains finally to go across the front cab. We have a table in work in progress. I decided to go with drawing on our table. The table is an IKEA table. It cost me £6 in the clearance sale section, and I've used one Sharpie pen so far. So yeah, at the moment really pleased with the look of our table. I've made a little wooden notch, I don't know if I can get that on camera, just by here, so it holds it in place and it blocks off the back of our seats whilst we're driving and just fills that area quite nicely. So I went on to eBay, Mega Van Mats, and I've purchased the table leg. So today's project was fitted into the floor. So I'm really lucky with this, guys, because the depth of the actual recess part was the depth from my floor that we have now to the actual van floor. So I haven't had to cut any metal or anything like that. I've raised the floor enough for that to fit in there. So I was really pleased that I haven't had to cut and butcher my floor that I've treated and sealed and everything like that. So yep, and it hides underneath the carpet then when it's away. So table will fit by there perfectly. We sat in there and tested it earlier on. Don't think anything else really got done today. We've just pretty much worked out that we could hide the table by there. That's my Sharpie drawing on the table, guys, just to make it look something different. Gonna put a little bit more down by there and fill it in a little bit more, but just thought it was something different. And Kel's been in here cleaning ready. So our IKEA curtain rail up around there ready for it as well. And that's it. Van X curtains. Every VW must have the flowers hanging from the window. It's like the law. Any questions, guys? Anything you want to know about the van build so far? Just give us a shout. I don't mind answering questions if there's anything you want to know. Now we've built our bed up, we're off bank holiday, we're off up to, where are we going? St. Fagans first of all on Friday, then we're off up to Brecon. There's a farm up in Brecon at the moment which is basically £5 per night wild camping, but you can stay on their land. Because we got the baby, Riley, Kel wasn't too happy about staying in a lay-by. So for our first couple of times we're going to stay at this farm up in Brecon at the moment. Don't forget you can find us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and hopefully we'll catch up with you all soon. Any of you guys going to Camp Quirky, come and see us with a bright grey van, and we'll be pleased to meet you. Cheers guys.